All right, so got interrupted on my last recording, so I have a couple of things written down. So this is a quick video on solving a quadratic inequality. So I've got my quadratic, x squared minus x minus 6, greater than or equal to 0. Remember, inequality means we're going to be looking at a number line, okay? Here, if I've got an equal to sign, you know on your number line you're going to have a filled in circle. If there's no equal to, it's going to be open. Now, how do I figure out where those are going to go? Well, you're going to factor this inequality. So factors of negative 6 that add to get negative 1. All right? They're going to have to be 3 and 2. All right? And my 3 is going to have to be negative. Now, where does this equal 0? Well, where does this first parenthesis equal 0? What do I plug in there to get 0? That would be a 3. So I know on my number line I'm going to have a 3. And because this is equal to, I'm going to have a filled in circle at 3. Then I've got x plus 2. What do I have to put in here to get a 0? Well, that have to be a negative 2. And again, it's going to be a filled in circle because we've got greater than or equal to. Now, how do I know where to shade? You have two options. You're either going to shade in between these numbers or outside these numbers. So how am I going to get greater than 0? Well, you can just pick a point. So what's a number in here that I could test? Well, would you agree that 1 is there? Or you could even do 0 because 0 is in between these, okay? So let's pick 0. So I'm going to do 0 minus 3, 0 plus 2. 0 minus 3 is negative 3 times 0 plus 2 is 2. That's negative 6 is greater than or equal to 0, which is not a true statement. So I don't want to shade that as part of my answer. I'm going to go ahead and shade outside of those. If I would have gotten a true statement here, for example, 6 is greater than 0, then I would have known to shade in between. So again, kind of a quick video. You should have seen this before. Please ask questions if you have them.